Picture this. Cruising down the street in $1 million suit. Leaving a trail of smoke and chaos behind us. I mean, just imagine the looks on those cops' faces! Ah! Let's roll into gang territory. Making bullets fly. Showing these punks who's boss. We're gonna clean them out top to bottom. Don't think twice, just jump in. Taking over their businesses. Claiming their turf. Cashing out from their banks. And snatching all the cash in this building. All good stuff inside. Jewelry. And a vault. I scouted it out. Follow me. Hurry. Behind this door is the vault. Come on, the vault door! Hurry up and open this door! Don't waste time! Shit! Take out those guards, now! Use the gun, bro! So many of them! Look out! I'll guard outside. Come out when you're done. Shit! Take out those guards, now! Use the gun, bro! So many of them! Look out! Use those cabinets for cover! Guards, now! Use the gun, bro! So many of them! Look out! Use those cabinets for cover!
We've got a lot. Now we need to find a way out. Okay? Which way?
The way in must be blocked. Go this way! Downstairs! I've scouted it! I bet there are more enemies coming. Remember to put on gear you picked up.
Isn't this supposed to be a rich guy's private collection room? Why are there gangsters guarding it?
I don't get it. Holy shit, this rich guy's probably some gangster boss!
The Mafia? The big snakes?
Hurry up! Don't dump! Shit, it's blocked here!
Go outside, through the scenic route.
This door's not blocked! Come on! It's an outdoor alley. Let's try this way.
time to paint the walls with your brains. You're in our sights now, buddy.
There are way too many security guards here. Some aren't even wearing uniforms. Something's off. They look more like gang members.
Shit, did we just crash a mafia boss's house? Gotta run. This door's open. Go through here to the terrace and take the emergency elevator. And blow them to pieces!
You're like the...
Shoot those bastards! Shit! Shoot those bastards! Shoot those bastards! Die, die, die! Shoot those bastards!
Say your prayers, buddy. Get up, man.
Shoot those bastards! Probably packed the police cars downstairs. We'll need to split up to get away.
Yeah, let's grab a car each and separate different ways.
This is the emergency elevator. Press it and go.
Okay, can you hear me?
I hear you. No police car here, but the iguana gang's on my tail.
I've got cops blocking me in.
Damn it, we're screwed! We're definitely making enemies with the iguana gang now.
We'll deal with them once we're safe.
The suspect has been found and the pursuit is in progress.
Hello, Kay. Right, I already shook off the cops. Damn, I'm in trouble. Get back to you later.
Damn! There was another car at the robbery last night. We might have gotten the wrong guy.